guys, so I apologize in advance that this video isn't as professional as I would normally do for a school or English video. I'm driving, so it just is what it is, and Maui Lynn, my cockatoo here on my shoulder, will just be our special guest for the evening. So let me get right to it. This video is for my English 1 students at Thomas E. Edwards Senior High School in Mississippi. So any of my other YouTube viewers, if you don't know what I'm talking about in this video, that's okay. You're not really supposed to, because I'm an English teacher and this video specifically is for my students. So if you've been sent to watch this video, that means that you are about to start the assignment dealing with the topic, central idea, and theme chart. Okay, so that chart, it's very simple. Okay, I'm not gonna waste your time and my time with this long explanation of it, because it just doesn't need that. This strategy was given to us by a consultant, an English consultant from the district last year, that the district had brought in, and it was amazing. And when we learned this strategy and then we put it into practice, we found very quickly that it eliminated an absurd number of problems. It really did. It made it so much easier both for teachers and for students. And I mean, it's kind of like having a cheat sheet. So I don't say this lightly when I tell you to use this chart for anything dealing with English 1 or in my class. I'm not just saying that just to hear myself talk. I need you to use that chart every single time. If you do that, then you will get the right answer every single time. If you don't use the chart, then you might get the answer correct, you may not, okay? But even if you feel pretty confident in finding a passages or text topic, central idea, or theme without using that chart, even if you feel confident about that, at least for right now, I don't want you to do any other strategy though. I still want you to use the exact strategy in this chart. All right, very quick explanation of how it works. The first thing you have to do, sorry, my words are a little off today. Ooh, I'm tired. The first thing you have to do is determine whether you are dealing with a fiction text or a non-fiction text, okay? Meaning literary or informational. If the text that you are looking at is fiction, meaning it is fake, okay, it is not true, then you are looking at a literature piece, a literary piece. In that case, you will go down the left side of the chart. You'll start from the top, work your way down. If you are dealing with an informational piece, a non-fiction piece, okay, something that's true, something that's not fake, then you're going to go down the right side of the chart, okay? It makes a difference, because if you have an informational text and then you try to go down the left side, which is supposed to be for literature, once you get down to theme, you're not going to be able to determine the right answer. You're not going to be able to find your theme, because you find your theme differently in literary text as opposed to informational text. So you just have to be very sure that you're looking at the right side of the chart before you do anything else. Once you've determined that, okay, and you've got you have yourself focused on the right side, the correct side of the chart, depending on its literary or informational, you need to just follow the steps. So with topic, obviously the first thing it's going to say on your chart is find the repeated word, idea, phrase, etc. Okay, real quick though, sometimes you will see, like in a passage's first paragraph, for example, sometimes you will see an actual specific word that is being repeated a couple of times, okay? That's when it's really easy, because it repeats it for you. So it's very easy to find the answer. Where people tend to get tripped up is when they have a passage that does not repeat an exact word or phrase in the first paragraph or two. That's okay. Just because there's not a specific word being repeated does not mean it doesn't have a topic. It still does, because just like the directions say, you're looking for the repeated word, phrase, or idea. Okay, so sometimes it's just an idea or a train of thought that is repeated. So for example, a text that we used last week in class was about the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, well, the first paragraph and the title is what we looked at to determine the